Well, nowadays I think just about all companies are managing their data or their users' data. They have a web presence or some web services. So most companies nowadays need software engineering in some capacity. Pretty much everyone needs us. I'm George Meisinger. I am a software engineer at Firia, and I mostly work on wireless modules right now, but I get to do a lot of fun stuff besides that. Usually in the morning, I try to spend some time just getting organized. I typically have a lot of emails that come in from overseas during the middle of the night, so I'll catch up on those. We're usually working on things that are pretty close to the edge, stuff that is breaking new ground, I would like to say. And so that's always exciting, you work on something and you think of all the possibilities, what you could do with it at home and in your other projects, so that's always fun. Also, I think most engineers really just enjoy the creative problem-solving aspect. Technical expertise is definitely important, but I think the one that needs to be talked about is communication skills. I find that I'm communicating with people that are non-technical, which can be a challenge to talk about technical things. And there's also a lot of language barriers to overcome, so communication skills are very important. Write code, definitely get some real experience. There's a lot of ways to do it, but whether it's writing code or doing one of those DIY electronics kits, just getting real experience I think is the most important thing. For me, I like video games, so I did a lot of game jams, and that's how I learned to program. That was really a valuable experience. It's fun to labor over something and then make it work. And it's also fun to have your customers think of you like some mystical wizard,
Got a wizard money gang. We love casting spells.